Toyota's remote start technology is now standard on most 2024 and newer Corolla and Corolla Cross models. This convenient feature allows you to start your vehicle from a distance using two different methods. Toyota provides two convenient ways to remotely start your vehicle. The traditional key fob method works within 80 feet and requires no subscription. The Toyota Remote Connect smartphone app works from unlimited distance but requires an active subscription and cellular coverage. When you activate Remote Start, the system automatically engages climate control based on the outside temperature. In cold weather, it warms the cabin and engine. In hot weather, it pre-cools the interior for your comfort. Remote Start includes several important safety requirements. All doors must be locked, the transmission must be in park, the emergency brake must be engaged, and the hood must be closed. For safety reasons, Remote Start is not available on manual transmission models. Remote Start operation is straightforward with either method. Using the key fob, press the lock button once, then press and hold it again for 3 seconds. The engine will start and run for 10 minutes. The smartphone app requires an active subscription and compatible device, but offers additional features like door control and vehicle monitoring. The Toyota Remote Connect app provides a comprehensive interface for vehicle control. Beyond Remote Start, you can lock and unlock doors, monitor vehicle status, including fuel level and odometer readings, and receive maintenance alerts. The app requires a subscription after the initial trial period included with your vehicle purchase. Toyota's Remote Start system combines convenience with intelligent climate management. Whether using the key fob for quick local access or the app for extended range and features, you can ensure your Corolla or Corolla Cross is comfortable and ready when you arrive. Toyota offers two convenient methods to remotely start your Corolla or Corolla Cross, using the key fob or the smartphone app. Both methods require specific steps and safety conditions. The key fob method is the most direct approach. First, ensure your vehicle meets all safety requirements before attempting remote start. Once safety conditions are met, follow this precise button sequence. Press and release the lock button once, then within 1 second, press and hold the lock button for 3 seconds. The engine will start and run for 10 minutes. The hazard lights confirm successful activation. Now let's explore the smartphone app method. The Toyota Remote Connect app provides additional convenience and features. You'll need an active subscription, a compatible smartphone, and cellular coverage for your vehicle. Using the app is straightforward. Open Toyota Remote Connect, select your vehicle, and tap the Remote Start icon. You can also adjust climate control settings directly through the app interface. The app offers additional features beyond basic remote start, including door lock and unlock, vehicle status monitoring, and maintenance alerts. Important cost consideration. While new vehicles include a trial period of 1 to 3 years, Remote Connect services require a monthly subscription of $8 to $10 after the trial expires. Both methods provide reliable remote start functionality. The key fob works within 80 feet and requires no subscription, while the app offers extended range and additional features with cellular connectivity.